It's the new car we've just bought. It's a rebuild. Front end damage, airbag damage inside. It's 2014. Bought from Copart. The damage. See down there. Legs are still nice and straight. And the mountain's broken. Windscreen's smashed. That's a really easy little fix, this one. A tiny bit of damage there, we'll have to straighten out. Maybe have to replace this. I'm going to take the wing off, we'll see. Inside, like I say. Steering wheel bag, dash bag. Seat belts aren't locked up, which is good. Let's get it unloaded. In fact, I think while it's on the truck, I might pull the front bar out on it and pull that out with the winch. Free up the engine and get it to start.
A few minutes later.
Right, I'm going to start taking the dashboard out. I'm going to go and buy one later. We've got to take out the other car, so best practice on this one. Let's take them out. Get the whole front end and airbags. Another car, so start work on this maybe tomorrow, I think. So, take cracking at these airbags out. Keep it updated as I'm going. Okay, dashboard out. Steering wheel back on. Seat belt started disconnected from that side. Airbag module goes just under there where them two brown plugs are. It's a bit fiddly, but pretty straightforward really. Took me all in all about 35 minutes to take the dashboard out. It's not really that bad of a job to do really when you get into it and just get going. Started taking a few parts off the front just to see what parts we need. So yeah, noticed this damaged. Just here, so I'll get picked that up. Airbox was damaged, engine mounting is destroyed, so we get that. Whole front end. Took the wing off because it's catching the door. You see that rub through. So hopefully get out just a bit of touch-up paint or get them to blend onto the doors when you paint the front. Yeah, that's how they want it. Hopefully tomorrow it'll look like a complete car. Here we go, parts car. Picked this up off Facebook Marketplace. Got a lot of lights on, high mileage. 2009, but whole front end, good condition. Full dashboard, full E5. So, look inside. Pretty much the same as the one we've got really. But we've also now got all of the parts for it that we need. We need like rain panel, we need water bottle, we need a lot of parts to be fair. But the panels we need are actually really straight. A little dinging in that wing, we can fix that when it gets painted. They're not on there. But now, the beauty is we've got enough parts to fix a whole nother car with this. So, I'm going to start the disassembly on this one, just to show how big the crunch was. It's pretty big. As you can see. Last time, I don't know if I showed you this previously, dashboard's out. Took all that up. Whole airbag kit's removed. So we've also now got windscreen and that car will take out as well. So we paid £550 for a complete car. It's an absolute bargain to be honest with you. I would have paid more if we had to. So let's get going. Okay, it's literally taken 10 minutes. So we've got a tiny buckle in the leg. We can easily pull that out. We've got cover here, it's damaged, but as we've got a whole car, we'll replace the whole thing. Replace that. This water pipe here looks bent to me, so I think we'll replace that. These are all the little things that you don't really see when you're repairing it. And then top of the water bottle, yeah, damaged as well, so yeah. So we get that replaced. And then look at the engine mounting, literally smashed. Only held on really by tiniest little bit of aluminium still. So, a few more bits of damage. But I think if we take this cover off now, we'll check out the pipe and then we'll go from there. Not an easy little car to work on. So, we need to change the hinges. They're bent, as you can see, this one hits. Yeah. And how it should go underneath. Yeah. So we'll change them both anyway, because we've got both. But relatively straight out, 3 little 10 mils either side. We have to take the rain cover off anyway, because that's damaged, like we pointed out. We'll leave that out because we still need to take the windscreen from the car. I think it's time to start taking bits off this one. I think we get the bonnet and hinges changed first. And this is what undercover, and we don't really care about that one being getting wet. So let's have a strip of this one.
A few minutes later.
Okay. We're up to, and the bonnet on. Bonnet on. Hinges in. So I think we should put this engine mounting on next. Get the engine mounting on, because what we'll do is see the buckle on the leg. We're going to put that on the winch, but what we'll do is we'll swap the engine mounting and we'll put it on the truck and pull it. See? Tiny bit outside straight.